Mother, Octavia and I are like oil and water. We are a bad match. I carefully picked her because of her family's financial position. Are you saying I chose wrong? I am saying I cannot marry her. Summer, I'm sorry.
Damon, you don't need to do this.
No, I do. After the way I behaved at the gala, you had every right to break up with me. I would have broke up with me. But I think we deserve another chance.
Damon, we want different things, and I don't see that changing. You want someone to live lifetimes with, and I want someone to grow old with.
Why settle for just one lifetime when we can have countless?
Because to me, there's so much value in knowing that every moment is precious. I don't want to hurt your feelings, Damon, but we're just not right for each other.
Summer, don't do this.
Goodbye, Damon. Hopefully one day we can be friends. Again.
Star Frog's DIY Coffee. Caroline speaking. You haven't received your order yet. I am so sorry. It should be there any minute. Where in the world is Damon? Super fast vampire speed my foot.
Mother, I cannot. I will not marry Octavia. Oh, Nigel. It is laughable how you think you have a choice. What? Let me make this very clear. You will marry Octavia, secure her family's investment, and take your rightful place at the head of the company, or lose everything. Mother, are you saying if I do not marry Octavia, I am out of the family? Oh, good. I was clear. Mother, this is not fair. I just want to be happy. Come on, Nigel. You sound like a schoolboy. This is not fair. It's time to grow up, dear. No one ever said life was fair. I am doing you a favor. Trust me. You call this a favor? Well.
Poor Nigel. Talk about being in the right place at the right time. Should I tell Summer? Yeah, Nick.
I just got this shirt, and now I'm running into you. It's fate.
Oh my gosh, never going to happen.
Accretion disk. Rings of dust and space stuff swirling around a black hole.
Right. Okay, now name one way to find a black hole.
We can track the orbit of stars over many years.
Event horizon.
Point of no return.
You are on a roll, Jazz. Now, here's the bonus question.
Not the bonus question. I always get this one wrong.
Are you ready?
Bring it.
True or false, it has been scientifically proven that black holes are portals to a unicorn dimension. 3 seconds left.
True.
No, Jazz. That's the 4th time you got that one wrong. Oh, it's Cali. Just a moment, Jazz. Hey, Cali, what's up? Oh, no, it's fine. We're just finishing up studying for the space competition. Uh-huh. Yeah, sure, I can stop by. Oh, like now? Okay, I'm on my way. Jazz, I think we've studied all we can. See you at the competition.
I won't let you down. Well, unless they ask that unicorn question and then, well, I tried.
Oh, wow, Cali, are you serious? She said all of that in public, in the middle of a coffee shop.
Mrs. Knight is no joke. She told Nigel that if he didn't marry Octavia, he was going to lose family, money, everything.
I feel so bad for him.
Summer, you know this is about you, right?
What? How is this about me?
You two being inseparable besties again? Not to mention your breakup with Damon, Nigel thinks he has a chance.
Not this again, Cali. It took me a while to get over Nigel the first time. Sure, we like doing all the same goofy things, and he's the best around the holidays. But I gave up on that dream of us ending up together. And there's no way I would want him to give up everything for me.
Summer, think about this. Nigel, or some version of him, has been in love with you across dimensions. If that's not a love story, I don't know what is.
Today's the day. The NASA competition. If I win this, I'm one step closer to my goal of going to outer space. Giving me the knowledge and experience to write the greatest sci-fi novel the world has ever seen. Wait, where's Jazz?
Wait, Jazz is your partner? Good luck, Summer. You're gonna need it.
Jazz, where are you?
Don't worry, Summer. I'm here. Are you ready to win this thing?
Yeah! We lost this thing.
Yeah. I even wore my lucky unicorn shirt to remind myself that we can travel through black holes to see unicorns.
No, Jazz. Black holes don't work like that.
Nice shirt, Jazz. And Summer, I'll be sure to send you a postcard from space. Well, it looks like I'm hanging around here for the summer. I better go find a job. See you around.
Later, Jazz.
Summer, how did the competition go?
Not the way I wanted. Alex won.
Why didn't you just tell everyone she was cheating?
I had no proof. It would have been my word against hers.
Well, on the bright side, with you staying in town, we have more time to hang out and implement my plan of getting you and Nigel back together.
Plan? What? Have you been talking to Cali?
Why? What Callie say?
Nothing?
Come on, Summer. You can't let Nigel marry Octavia. Remember high school? It's always been the two of you.
Summer,
Hey, Nigel.
how was your test?
Not that great.
Oh, I'm sorry. How about we get cocoa lattes? On me.
Can I get two?
Sure. Why not?
Don't you see, Summer? He's your lobster.
Lobster?
Sorry, I've been watching Friends.
Wasn't that debunked?
Well, then he's your penguin, or bald eagle, or beaver. Pick one.
Don't you have other things to do than sit around and worry about my love life? Or lack thereof?
You're right. I'm late for a meeting with my investor. See you around, Summer.
I need to find a Nigel-free space. We are packing for a trip. You know we don't have time for this. Oh, someone's at the door. I'll be right back. But don't you dare touch that cereal. It's not for you.
Crunchy.
Hey, Summer. What a nice surprise. Hey, Grandma. I just needed a hug. What's the matter, sugar? I didn't get into the NASA program, which was a big part of my plan. How am I going to get to space now? Hello? Your grandmother's from another planet, honey. We can go to space. What? Dargo and I were just planning a trip. Dargo is still here? Yes, me and him are friends. I keep him on a strict, sugar-free diet.
Feed, Dargo.
Here, eat your crackers.
Crackers good.
Like I was saying, I'm taking a trip back to Sakar, my homeworld. I'm heating up the spaceship, and I want to take you and your sister with me. Seriously, Grandma? But will we be coming back? Oh, yes, honey. It's just for a few weeks. Talk about perfect timing. With all this talk about Nigel, I could use some space.
Hey, Donnie. Daddy, I've been running this coffee shop pretty much by myself for a while. And I think it's time you made me sole owner.
But what about your sister?
Sabrina doesn't have any interest in this place. She's always running off doing something else.
I'll tell you what. Come up with enough money to buy your sister out, and I'm okay with it.
Deal. Now I just gotta find the money.
Hello?
Nigel, can we speak for a minute? Hey, Donnie, you wouldn't by any chance be a vampire, would ya?
Look at all those stars. I can't believe pretty soon I will be traveling amongst them.
Summer, How did I know I would find you here?
Because this is where you have always been able to find me.
When you are deep in thought?
Yeah,
I hope you do not mind the company.
it's fine. I just have a lot to sort out right now.
Me too.
Oh yeah, 'cause the wedding.
There is not going to be a wedding. At least not to Octavia. Summer, we belong to...
Stop. Nigel, I can't let you say this. I know that if you don't marry Octavia, you will lose everything.
What, money? I can make more. But you are irreplaceable.
Nigel, you cannot give up everything for me. One day you will grow to resent me, and I couldn't handle that. At least this way, we can always be friends.
Summer, tell me you don't love me, and I will go.
Nigel, I do.
I now pronounce you husband and wife. You may kiss the bride.
Let me guess. Wedding dream again?
Yeah,
Winter or spring wedding this time?
spring. Oh, what have I done? To be continued on the next Sommer and Cali.
He's your lobster.
Lobster?
Sorry, I've been watching Friends.
Wasn't that debunked?
Well then, macaroni penguin, gray wolf, bald eagle, northern cardinal, swan. That one's pretty.
What in the world? Okay, who gave Dargo sweets? What's that? A Christmas donut. Damon.
Uh-oh.
Oh my goodness, Nigel! What is wrong with your suit?
What?
What's up with the shorts?
I couldn't fit the pants.
Where's my phone? I need a picture. Can we get wardrobe over here, please? Thank you.
I cannot work like this.
Aw, Nigel, come back.
Can I get somebody from hair too?
Emperor penguin. No, I don't like the way that one sounds. Beaver. He's your beaver.
Cut. I think we have enough.